your invert lasts most of the year. It hangs on with both hands and won't let go. The only real comforts against the cold are those you keep close to your heart.
And this flood is slowly rising up, swallowing the ground beneath my feet. Tell me how anybody thinks under this condition. So I'll swim as the water rises up. Sun is sinking down and now all I can see are the planets in a row, suggesting it's best that I slow down.